In this video, we're going to be installing R on a Windows 10 machine. To start, we're going to open up our web browser and navigate to cloud.r-project.org. We're then going to select Download R for Windows. And then on the next page, click on Install R for the first time. And finally, we'll download R by selecting the Download R 4.1.0 for Windows link. And once this download finishes, we'll open the file and start the installation. Windows will prompt us and verify that we really do want to run this installer, which of course we do, so I'm going to click yes. The installer will ask us which language we would like to use, so I'm going to select English and then click OK. Now, in this installation, I'm going to stick with the defaults throughout, so by and large, I'm going to be clicking Next or OK from each window to the next. On this screen for selecting additional tasks, whether or not you wish to have a desktop shortcut or a quick launch shortcut is of course up to you. The one thing that I would recommend that you leave clicked, however, is the associate R with R data files. Later on, when you start using data and storing things in our data files, this will make things a little bit easier for you. So I'm going to leave this selected and I'm going to click next. This will actually start the installation process. And once this finishes, we'll simply click finish and close the setup wizard. So now R is installed. We can actually go to the start menu and find R, or we can go to the search bar here at the bottom and type R space X64. And you'll see here that it pops up immediately. And we can click open, which will bring up the R console. And now we are ready to start writing code in R.